Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the back cover, wireless WAN module if installed, left speaker, proximity sensor antenna, audio board, front-facing webcam, rear-facing webcam, wireless LAN antenna cables, aux wireless WAN antenna cable, system board, right speaker, and metal frame. Removal. Important: make careful note of the placement of the button microphone ribbon cable for later replacement. Remove the button microphone ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the battery. Carefully remove the button microphone ribbon cable from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure the button microphone ribbon cable to the metal frame. Remove the button microphone ribbon cable and place it in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the button microphone ribbon cable from the static dissipative bag. Place the button microphone ribbon cable onto the alignment pins on the middle frame and apply pressure to adhere it into position. Apply pressure along the length of the button microphone ribbon cable to adhere it to the battery.